Since 1989, established the Cora dishli has been continuing as coragear in 2007. We're manufacturing sub-industry spare parts with the best technology with expert staff in construction equipment, trucks, pickup trucks, transmissions, and differentials. The first principle of our company is to serve our customers with our high-quality products at affordable prices and to deliver the products on time. Our company, which made a name for itself with its quality worldwide, provides guarantee and quality assurance for every product it produces. At the same time, it is carried out in production based on samples and techniques according to the projects. As coragear, our vision is to keep customer satisfaction at the highest level, to follow and take care of our customers after sales, and to develop permanent business and friendship relations. We are proud to stand by our customers, and we are happy to stand by our customers in the future.